Hello, this is a video about equivalent fractions. So equivalent means the same. You might hear equal, and you could probably hear the equal part. So they are equal to each other. So here I have to find the numerator for this. I have no idea what it is. So first I'm going to start out with this fraction. And I know obviously I'm going to have another fraction as well, so I need to make two models. And they have to be the same size. So I just do one giant rectangle. I'm going to partition this one into thirds because my denominator is 3. So I have 3 pieces. Now I need to shade in 2 because my numerator is 2. All right, this one now says 3 is going to have to be equivalent. These thirds are going to have to be equivalent to these ninths. So we have to figure out what's the connection between 3 and 9. How do we go from 3 to 9 pieces? Okay, hopefully you know your math facts and you know that 3 times 3 equals 9. So if I go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I just multiplied 3 times to get 9. So I know if I split this 3 into 3 more pieces, then I'll get my 9. So I've got this 1/3 right here. I'm going to split it into 3 pieces. So now you can see I've got 1, 2, 3 pieces inside of that one piece. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to cut this one into 3 pieces. So I'm going to go like that, and I've got 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cut this one into 3 pieces, and I've got 1, 2, 3. So if I count it, I should get 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, I've got 9. So now I need to figure out what my numerator is, so that way I can have the same amount as I have on 2/3. So what I do is I just go, oh, okay, it's got to end right there. So I'm going to color that in. I'm basically just going to make them look exactly the same with the same amount shaded. So even though these are smaller pieces, if I was to combine these 3, I would end up with this one piece. If I combine these 3, I'd end up with that piece. So I know that 2/3 is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So if I put 6 up here, 6 ninths. So I know 2/3 is actually the same thing as 6 ninths. These ninths are just cut into smaller pieces. So I should be able to do the same thing to my numerator as I did to my denominator. So since I multiplied by 3, let me multiply by 3 up here. 2 times 3, does it equal 6? 2, 4, 6. Yep. So I know that 2/3 is equivalent to 6 ninths. If I'm able to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, and I get this, and I'm able to get an equivalent fraction, then we know that is for sure the correct answer. So hopefully hopefully this was a little bit clear and that you don't have any questions. If you do have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.